Okay, good evening. This is Sandeep from Legrand. So Legrand is a French multinational company. So Legrand India is a subsidiary of Legrand. So actually we got head office at Mumbai. We got manufacturing facilities in Maharashtra. And coming to Legrand in Hyderabad, we have got central head office. So in this display, we are showing entire our Legrand range of products. In this, we have added some new range also. So especially coming to apartments and independent houses, we have added some security solutions, and especially we have added door entry solutions with standalone as well as apartment solutions. And in this actually earlier we are having 5.6 inch and 7 inch range of models, and in this display we are showing 10 inch type screen also. In that, apart from normal screens, in the 10 inch we can have a away mode also. With the help of away mode, whenever we are out of home, okay, the system it automatically takes the pictures of the visitor as well as the audio. So that facility is there, and it is having inbuilt 32 GB memory also. And apart from that, actually in this we are showcasing our Mirius antibacterial range switches. In this Mirius normal, it is not a conventional switch. In this Mirius antibacterial, we are having this antibacterial switch is having a property of contamination of bacteria from one switch to other switch, or from human to human. So okay, in this manufacturing itself, we are adding Ag+ ions, which will eliminate the contact of the bacteria to the switch or plate, so that from one person to other person it will not infect. Okay, so apart from this, in this we are showing our automation solutions also. Nowadays automation is becoming very popular. Okay, normal switches range, apart from switches range, now everybody is looking for modern living. Yeah, different models, yes. So in that, actually we are showcasing our automation solutions also. In this we are having normal standalone solution, so up to customizable solutions also. So we got retrofit solution as well as cabling solutions. So entire range we are showcasing. With our automation, we can control our lighting, security, and audios, and we can control curtains. So burglar alarm, security, all kind of solutions is possible with our automation solutions. We can do total solutions. And apart from that, we are showcasing here Legrand modern living products, which is sensitive switches, CFL dimmers, and universal dimmers. So we got a lot many range in modern living concept. So and apart from that, we are showcasing here pop-up boxes for conference solutions. And in Legrand we are having CMS solutions also. So like we have got cable trays and float solutions and pop-up boxes, junction boxes. So totally we can say we can give end-to-end solutions next to your transformer till your switch. So we can give solution for residential, commercial, hospitalities, and hotels also. So we got now equipped with all the products which we can give total. So costing, we are actually we got product USP is much better than the competitor. We got our unique patents also for so many products. So recently we launched a DX Cube MCBs, which is third generation MCBs, and that we have added 13 patents. So like that, whenever we come up with the products, we will add so many innovative patents, innovative features also, we can say rather. And in this, so obviously our pricing is a little bit higher, but when compared to market with our USPs, that is okay for compared with the competitor.